What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a haul, an Ulta haul slash first impressions because I need to do my makeup. And I just went to Ulta. It's kind of just like regular stuff, but there's something really exciting in here. So, and I haven't even opened any of it, so I need to get it. This is the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow leave-in conditioner. I use this and the sea salt spray. Also got this touch-up stuff, face razors, and I need to use them today. So my makeup removing towelettes. I should be getting oil free because I do have my lashes, but I kind of forgot, honestly. I used to use these all the time, so I just gravitated to these. But anyways, these are the Neutrogena ones. Love those. Got another Real Techniques beauty sponge. Needed one of those. I got the Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing cream. This stuff is what I always get. I just needed some new stuff. So this is what this baby looks like. It's amazing. I have dry skin. It really helps. Scrunchies, and I have one in my hair. I like to wear them on my wrist. I just honestly lost all my scrunchies, so I got some more. And it's the Professional Benefit Primer that I'm sure you guys all know. This is the Professional Benefit Primer. Everybody knows about this, but honestly, I've never tried it. Can I seriously not get it out? So I just got the $12 one. Looks like this. And I'm going to use it. I'm really excited about it. There's the receipt. So good. The MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I get these. They don't have the full sizes at my Ulta though, so I literally have to get the sample size. But I love this. They had some like Morphe brushes for like on sale, and I didn't even know they sold Morphe there. They just were selling Morphe for like a short period of time, so these were just on sale. This is the M505 and this is $6, and that was all they had there. So I'm so excited to try this. Like, this is my first Morphe brush. It seems a little gritty, to be honest. I thought it'd be softer, but it is nice. I like it. I'm excited to try it. And I also picked up this Essence Eye Blender brush. I don't know. I like the packaging. It looked pretty, and it was literally $1.99. So if this is good, which it seems a little flimsy, but it's soft, definitely synthetic. So it's cute. Like it's cute. This also came free with my purchase because I got like an Ulta credit card or whatever. And this is the Tarte liquid lipstick in OG. So I'll definitely swatch it. That's what it is. I had two choices. I chose that one, and I don't know if I should have got that. So on to the really exciting part. Like, super exciting, guys. Like, so exciting. This is the main reason I was going, plus my moisturizer. But this, oh, can we just, oh, like, what? Like, you are, I mean, you're perfection. But I'm opening this now. Oh my gosh. It's so perfectly wrapped, like really safe in there, right? This is the first time I ever opened it in real life. I mean, I saw like the swatches at the store, but I already dug my finger into it. Haven't even opened it yet. Oh. This palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. XO Jacqueline. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm so excited to try this shade right here. Oh, big. Like, what? Okay, stop. I already have swatches on my hands. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Definitely gonna do like a, oh my gosh. Definitely gonna do a bright makeup look soon. For you guys, for sure. But today I'm just gonna do kind of a natural look. Oh, I'm so proud of her. The only thing that I wish was in here is like a pink. Like, I think that like a pink and a deeper orange would have been nice. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is put my moisturizer on. We're gonna go ahead and I I'm actually going to use a little bit of Maybelline concealer. So if you guys wanted to know what I used on my brows, I used the NYX Taman Frame in brunette, and then I set areas of it that's lighter with this Maybelline Duo that I honestly don't have the name for. And then I use a mixture of my Fit Me and my Shape Tape just because neither one of them are my color right now. I'm like, okay, this is stunning. I think I'm gonna take this fluffy brush that I just got and I'm gonna just go into this shade right here. I can't tell if it's shimmery or not. Okay, I definitely don't like that right there. I'm not gonna use, okay, what is going on, Jacqueline? So they're both they both have like a sheen to them. Okay, not a fan. Didn't know that. I'm gonna take the Tartelette in the Bloom palette and take a mixture of Charmer and Flower Child, or yeah, Flower Child. And I'm gonna take a different brush that's a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay, that is already a complaint I have about the palette, because there should always be like a matte cream shade and a matte transition shade. I don't know why she didn't do like a shimmer and a matte like right next to each other, because these are like identical colors almost. Like they are a little bit, like this one's a little bit deeper, but like, come on, Jacqueline, you know the necessities of the palette. I'm not trying to hate, just being honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade right here and do I think I want to do like a neutral on the top with like a pop of color at the bottom. It's kind of what I'm feeling right now. I'm going to go into this shade. I really want to try this shade out. Okay, it's a little bit more yellowy than I thought it was going to be. It's kind of like a tangerine. I don't know. Not my favorite color. I kind of thought I was going to like that a little bit better, but it blended nicely. I'm just not a huge fan of the color, but whatever. Alright, I'm gonna take the Morphe brush that I got. This is the Morphe M505. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna dig into this shade and maybe a little bit of that. Let's just see what we get here. So the thing that I definitely love about this palette is I feel automatically like inspired. Like I'm like, yes. Okay, so I can see why this brush is on sale. I don't know if people like really use this one that much. I feel like I've heard this brush come up in quite a few tutorials that I've seen, but I do not like that. I honestly have never used a Morphe brush before. I love their shadow palettes. Love, love, love them. Brushes, I mean, there's probably better ones because that one was like on sale, you know. I really, really like the mixture of these two shades together for sure, though. I'm gonna take another brush and take those two shades and really deepen this. Yeah, a little bit of this shade right here and a little bit of this shade. Mixing so much, but I can't help myself. I want to try like all the colors. Oh, that is so pretty. Like, are you joking me? Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. I dig it. It's my Tartelette, and I'm gonna use Charmer there, and I'm just gonna hit the high point. Okay, honestly, all my brushes are dirty, so I'm taking a pencil brush, and I'm gonna pack it on there, and I'm gonna spray it because I'm just going to. Okay? Don't hate, just watch, right? Oh my gosh, so nice. Love that color. I think I want to take a little bit of this shade and just see how it performs. I'm gonna go right here. Oh my gosh, that is a really pretty rose gold. It really is. Like, so pretty. What's wrong, Harley? What's wrong, baby girl? To use the shade right here. Oh, I didn't even realize the names are on the back. I'm using Abyss, and I honestly don't know what I used before. What's this one? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm not gonna. And I'll probably reapply it in a little bit after my face makeup. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna kind of wing it up. I'm gonna take this smoky liner right there, and I kind of smudge it down here. Okay, I love this look. Alright, so I'm gonna use the Professional, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish up my eyes after this. I know that Tati loves this one. I'm gonna take her advice because her skin is flawless. I really like that. My skin feels super soft. So I'm gonna go in today with my cushion foundations because I want to. And I'm just using my old beauty blender because I don't want to open the new one yet. Alright, I've got my blush on, I've got my bronzer on. I'm going to do highlighter, and I'm going to use the Sweets Glow Kit. And I'm going to use Gumdrop and Butterscotch, I think. Go in and soften everything. And I'm going to use a little bit of lower lash mascara. I'm going to use Marshmallow really quick from here and highlight my inner corners. And right here. I put on some chapstick. This is my Smith's Rosebud stuff. It's in like the Ulta line, in those little shelves. And then I'm gonna use, I think, use this one. This is the Revlon Snow Pink 205. And it's got like a little bit of sparkle to it, which I love. And that's it. Like, so do you guys love it? I love this. I love this. I love this. Though, wasn't a huge fan of this shade. Loved this shade when it was actually on. Didn't like it swatched, but swatching is never a for sure thing on what a product's gonna look like. I do want to swatch these ones for you guys, even though I'm sure you guys have seen all of these before. I have just never seen them in person, so this is crazy to me. Like, just so pretty. But I just think that this could have lost a few of these neutral shades just because there's so many. Like, these are very, very close. 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 These two are very close. So I feel like she could have eliminated some of those things she has a lot of, and could have gotten a lot more colorful shades, like a brighter pink, a brighter orange maybe, a matte brow shade, or, you know, whatever. I mean, I knew what I was getting before I got it. Like, I love this palette. I think it's beautiful. That's my personal opinion. I think that she could have added a lot more fun shades to it, but I do like it. Love this. I really think I'm gonna like this. I really think I'm gonna continue to like this. I think this softened my skin just enough. My skin is very texturized right now, but this worked pretty well. Not a huge fan of this Morphe M505. I'm pretty sure I've heard a lot of people use this, and I don't like it. It made the colors really splotchy. It's kind of gritty. Like, it's kind of like rough, not gonna lie. This brush is really flimsy, but it's really nice for just blending out the very edges and just getting that seamless look, you know. Forgot to do something so very important. So I'm gonna take these highlighting drops, which I always do this, and I mix these two. They actually don't have shade names. They're from the Paris Hilton ones from TJ Maxx. And this is what I do every day, especially in the summer. Like, I do this in the winter still, but just not as much as I do in the summer because it's summertime and I want my my skin to be glistening and glowing at every angle, you know. So now I'm actually officially done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, or you like me, or you want to hang around for more, get more vids like this, click the like, click the subscribe button, click the bell so you know when I do upload. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one.